Hi everyone, I'm Rick.
Hi, I'm Andrea.
And this is another episode of Cooking on Travel Addicts Life.
Exactly. Today we're gonna make traditional Italian carbonara. Lots of people asked us about the traditional Italian carbonara, so that's what we're gonna make today.
Exactly. So here's our ingredients. That's all there is, as you can see.
Yeah, it's very simple. So 1 egg per person, actually 1 egg yolk per person, and 1 whole egg. So the two of us, so 2 egg yolks, 1 whole egg. Some pancetta or guanciale, or if you're in North America, you can find pancetta or guanciale, you can use bacon, it's fine.
And of course, if you don't eat pork, you can also substitute with chicken.
Yeah, it's not traditional, but chicken's fine. And so we have some pecorino cheese, salt and pepper, olive oil, and of course spaghetti. That's all it is.
All right, so let's go ahead and get started.
Sounds good. So first thing we have to do is cut the pancetta in little cubes. And as you can see, we already started boiling the water because that doesn't take very long. So let's start cubing. And of course, you can make it as small or as big as you like. I like them a little small, so I'm gonna cube them in small little cubes. 50 grams. Look at that. So in a large pan, we're gonna put a little bit of oil, about like half a tablespoon, and then we're gonna start crisping the pancetta. So the pancetta is still crisping. Now I'm gonna weigh the pasta and see how much pasta we need. So usually it's about 90 grams per person. For this application we like spaghetti, but if you want to go even more traditional, you should find bucatini, which are the same as spaghetti, just a little bit thicker with the hole in the middle, another hole in the middle. There we go, 180 grams. And then you cook the spaghetti in heavily salted water. Remember to salt the water, please. And these are spaghetti number 12, and they require about 12 minutes to cook. You just cook the spaghetti according to the package.
Okay, so I've got 3 eggs, salt and pepper, and my pecorino romano. I'm going to start mixing all of these together. So here's my full egg, and you need 1 egg yolk per person, along with 1 egg total. So if you're 2 people, you need 3 eggs total. If you're 4 people, you need 5 eggs total. Now we're going to add the rest of our pecorino. And to that, I'm going to add a very generous portion of black pepper. Now, I love my carbonara with lots of black pepper. You can put as much or as little as you want. So essentially what we have here is our egg and cheese mixture. What we're going to do is we're going to add this to the pasta and the pancetta afterwards. The key is that the oil and the meat is going to cook the eggs just to the perfect consistency. You don't want to get scrambled eggs. What you want is more like a custard, like a savory custard, because that's what a carbonara is.
So as you can see, the water is boiling, and now we can salt the pasta. Never salt the water before it's boiling, otherwise it's going to stain the pot. And we have to be salty as the Mediterranean. For this about 2 liters of water here, I'm going to use a decent fistful of salt, which is about a tablespoon. And in Italy, we always use coarse salt to salt the pasta water. I don't know why, but that's how we do it. And now we drop the pasta. So the pancetta is nice and crispy, as you can see, render a lot of nice yummy fat, and this is gonna be what we need to toss the pasta in. So take it off the heat and let it rest till the pasta is ready. So even if the packaging is talking about 12 minutes, you should always taste your pasta for doneness and for salt. Perfect. So I'm not going to drain the pasta, I'm going to just put it in the oil like this because I want some of the pasta water to emulsify the sauce.
Alright, so I have my egg mixture over here, and we've got this beautiful spaghetti with the pancetta. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this water, and I'm going to put it into the egg mixture so that we temper it a little bit. We don't want to freak the eggs out. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it in and together. Now the eggs are cooking on their own. Not to worry. We're going to have a beautiful carbonara. Take a look at this.
Here we are. Now we're going to put it on the plate. Put a little bit of a crispy pancetta on top, and we have a beautiful traditional Italian carbonara.
All right, here we go. As I said, I love my black pepper. Let's give this a little try. Delicious.